I tried writing a book with AI and God, you will not believe the outcome of that book. It was very bad. So hello everybody, welcome again to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll just be sharing with you the mistakes I made while trying to write with AI, how I was able to fix it, and how I was able to write a better book. So stay tuned, and before we go on, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's do this. I got this book idea while preparing a course, like a course on book writing and book publishing. And creating that course, I got to a point where I was like, wait, that person say, wait a minute, this right here is a book idea. And in the course, I wasn't so deep and elaborate because this is a course and you have to make room for many other things to deliver the promise you made in the course. So I said, okay, what if I pick out this point, make it a book, and either sell it or give it out for free? Now, when that idea came, it sounded very excited, and already my brain was busy preparing the course. It was very hot. I said, why not try ChatGPT? People have been saying, write a book with AI, write a book with AI, write ChatGPT. Many times they don't tell us how. No one told me how, so I took the idea, took it to ChatGPT, asked them to generate an outline for this book. An outline using the description I gave. It gave me an outline up to 10 to 15 chapters or so. I copied and pasted on my laptop. I said, okay. And that was how I was able to do it. I was able to develop chapter by chapter, chapter by chapter, chapter by chapter. Like, it was very fast, and in 6 hours or less I was done writing the book. I was very excited. I was so proud of myself. It was time to read what I had written, and I could not believe my eyes. I could not imagine, because that was not my first book, it was not my second book, it was not my third book. So every writer has a voice. You have a way you sound, you have your voice, you have your tone, and it should be that when people are reading, they should be able to should be able to know your voice. It's your voice that makes you stand out amongst other writers. And so I was reading, I was asking myself, say, Miracle, what's going on? Who is talking? Because that was not me. And because it's I used AI to write that book, it was very mechanical. It sounded so technical. When a book has a mixture of practical lessons, a touch of stories, life experiences, instances, illustrations, all of those, my book was void of any of those things. So just mechanical. Guess what I did? I deleted everything, but I didn't delete my outline. I kept that one. At least that was one good thing I did for me. It gave me a very quick outline. So I didn't delete it. Nah, I did not. What I did was, I said, okay, Miracle, it's time to write a book like a human being. This one now was not a human being. And without remorse, I deleted everything. I cleared everything. I didn't need the guidance again, because at that point I was confused, I was lost, I was stuck. I said, no, even if I'm giving this book out for free, there should be a touch of me, the celebrity author's impact, like a touch of me, a touch of personal feeling. There should be empathy. There should be when your readers can understand that you feel them, you understand their feeling, you've passed through what they've passed through. And that book was meant to address creative and entrepreneur, like writers, people that are struggling with their writing journey, and of course should be filled with a lot of stories, lessons and all. And also with the kind of book, and that kind of book, it has to come with empathy, it has to come with relatability, it has to come with a touch of feeling that you understand them. But my tone was so plain. Not my tone, the tone the AI used for me was so plain, and I was not in the mood to maybe start rewriting or fix anything. I had to trash it and do me. Now, this is not to discredit writing with AI. This is not to make it look impossible. Definitely, a lot of people are writing books with AI. In fact, as a book editor, I received one book one time, and that book was 100% AI. Like, even when they say that part, you ask it to suggest if I should modify, if I should suggest, if I should give to man, the person did not remember to cut off those things. So the book sounded so mechanical. So if you're looking forward to writing a book with AI, with ChatGPT, maybe I will do a clear video on how to, a different video on how to really do it and do it well. But for now, make sure that you're able to edit, refine, you are to get point, or so you are to get it. AI is meant to help you. You should not just do copy and paste what because you want to make quick money and upload on Amazon. If people are not able to relate and connect with you, if you're unable to connect and feed your message, they might not likely come back again. So please, in all you're getting, get wisdom. Don't be quick to do things because people are doing. Do it because you intend to communicate value. And with this point, we'll call it a day. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Tell your friends about my channel. Ask your book writing questions, and I'll have them answered.